How to unblock YouTube on Google Chrome. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome on your device and in the search bar at the top, search for the specific video and their channel, and then at the last, press on YouTube. After you search it, simply scroll through here and search for the video. After you find the video, simply right-click on their topic and click on Copy Link Address. After you've clicked on Copy Link Address in here, open Chrome's new page and paste the link. And simply delete Watch VM. After you've deleted Watch VM in the middle, simply type in embed and then press on Enter. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to unblock YouTube on Google Chrome. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.